Good morning, dears. Hope you all are doing good. And today I'm bringing to you another new lesson, which is about describing an action which is happening at present. Okay, using the present continuous tense. So when I say this word present continuous tense, that means an action which is happening at this present, which is happening now, and it may continue to the future also. It may continue to the coming days also. So, dears, if you look at me right now, you can say that I am standing here, right? And I'm teaching to you, and I'm talking, and you can say I am speaking, right? So, these are the words that I am standing. Then, yes, I am teaching to you, and I am, yes, talking or speaking. So, dears, these all are the doing words. These all are the actions which I'm doing right now. So, in our previous class, I have already explained to you about the doing words. Hope you remember that, right? The doing words from the story We Indians. So in the story, we Indians, the characters, they like doing different things. They like to do different things such as dance, then learn, study, paint, play, decorate, and so many more things, right? What are the things? Yes, they like to do so many things. So that are dance. Then, yes, learn and study. Then, yes, they like to do paint, play, or decorate. Right? These all are the doing words. These all are the action words. So, dears, if you want to change these doing words, these action words into its present continuous form, into its present continuous words, what you need to do is there you have to add the word ing. Which word is that? It is ing into this word. So then it will become present continuous form. So let's see. Let's add the word ing into this word dance, dance. It can become dancing, right? It can become dancing, and learn. It is become learning, and study. It is become studying, and paint. Painting, play. It has become playing, and decorate. It becomes decorating, right? So these all are the continuous form. These all are the present continuous word. So we can make the present continuous words by adding which word? Yes, it is ing. In all these words, we have added ing. So by adding ing into this action words, into this doing words, we can make the present continuous words. Clear? So we can make many simple sentences with the help of these present continuous words. But there you have to use one more words. What are they? That are is, am, or, are. These words, and with this ing form, with the help of these two things, we can make many simple sentences. Let's see here. Let's make some words, some sentences with the help of these doing words, with the help of these is, am, and are. Before that, let me ask you about this is, am, are. Which time we are using this is, am, are? Let's take the pronouns like I, he, she, it, they, we, or you, right? These are the pronouns. So with I, we can use this am. I am. Then with e, she, and it, in three of these pronouns, we can use with the short word is, and with they, we, and you, there we can use with are, A-R-E. We do not use like they is or he am, right? Yes, he am running or they is running. Is there anything wrong with these sentences? Yes, it is wrong. So with this I, the pronoun I, which we are using am, and he, she, it with is, like he is running or he is smiling. So let's make some sentences with the help of these am, is, and are with this ing form. So we can make with I am, like I am decorating with ing. I am decorating. Okay, let's erase this, otherwise it will be difficult for me. So I am decorating Christmas tree. I am decorating Christmas tree. And if you want to use the word smiling, the action smiling, we can make a sentence with he is, he with is. He is smiling. Okay, then with she, we can make like she is. Let's take an action with ing form. Yes. Let's take the word eat with ing. So eating. So is with ing. She is eating an ice cream. She is eating an ice cream, and with they, we can make with they with is or are. Which one we want to take? Yes, it is are. So they are talking. They are talking in the classroom. They are talking in the classroom, or they are watching. We can make a sentence with watch. Watching a movie. Right. So dears, let's have a look at all these sentences here. We have made the sentence with am with ing. And here is with ing. He is smiling and she is eating an ice cream, and they are talking. So here we have used are with ing, and they are again, it is ing. So this way we can make so many simple sentences with the help of is, am, are with this present continuous form, with this present continuous word, with ends with ing. So dears, then if you take some word, if you find some words like clap, okay, just remember this word clap. and stop or skip or sit. Here, these are the word. What are the words? Clap, sit, skip, or stop. Here also we can make these words into its present continuous form. How? Let's see. There is something different. So let me explain to you that the words like clap or stop, then skip and sit. Listen to these words: clap, stop, skip, sit. Here, what you can do is you have to double the last letter. You have to double the last letter. That means here, let's take the word clap first. Okay, here, ma'am, I'm going to write this way: C L A P. C L A P. Clap. So just forget about the first letter. Just forget about this word C and let's take the last three letters L A P. So when I look at these three letters, you can see that this L, it is a consonant. Right? Yes. Then A, it is a vowel. Then P, it is also a consonant. So dears, if you find words which has a consonant, vowel, consonant, a consonant, vowel, consonant, that means there you have to double the last letter. So what will happen here? Yes, here you have to double the last letter. Which is the last letter? What is the last letter here? Yes, it is P. So you have to add, you have to write one extra P into this word. So it will becomes like clap with this present continuous form, this ing. Let's add here. So it will become clapping, right? So we can make the word clap. It will become clapping. And what is the word stop? Let's write in the same way. It is S-T-O-P, stop. So let's forget about this word and just take the last three letters T. It is a consonant, and O, vowel, and P, it is also a consonant, right? So here also we need to add one extra P. Means whatever the letter that is at the end of this word, the same letter you have to double. You have to double the same letter. So the stop, here we can add one more P and this I N G. So this stop, it becomes stopping. So the stop, it becomes stopping. And what about the word skip? Yes, in the same way here it is a consonant, vowel, and a consonant. So it likes skipping. And here consonant, vowel, consonant. So it is sitting. All right. So this how you can make these type of words, these consonant, vowel, consonant words. There you have to double the last letter to change those words into its present continuous form, into its clapping or stopping, skipping or sitting with ing sound words. Then if you come across the words which has a Y letter, a Y at the end of this word, what will you do? There you have to do one thing. It is for Y ending word, let's write a word which ends with the Y letter. So see here PLAY, play. So in the case of Y ending word, there you do not double the last letter. Means see here also in the same way this P, it is let's forget about the letter P and let's take the remainder three letters LAY, L consonant, A vowel, and Y it is also a consonant. But in these Y ending word cases, there you don't add the extra Y. Instead of that, you can add the ing only. Just add the ing. There is do not double the last letter. In which cases? In the Y ending word cases. For example, it is in the case of cry. Yes, here just add ing only. This crying. Crying means the baby is crying. So in these Y ending word case, there you need to just add the ing only. Then one more case is there. It is about the E ending word. Means the words which has the letter E at the end of this word. There what you can do is you have to drop the E. You have to drop the letter E. Drop the E means, for example, let's write the word right. WRITE, right. Here, see, this word, it is ends with E. So here, you have to drop the E. Drop the E means erase the E. Erase the E or cut the E. Both are same. Instead of that, in the place of this E, you can add this direct ing, writing. Then in the case of another word with ending with E, yes, here also we can just drop the letter E and instead of that you can add just this ing. Got it? Then in the case of come, 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 here it is also ending with E. So you can add this ing. So it will become coming. And the word take, TAKE, take. Yes, it will becomes taking. So likewise, this E ending word, there you have to add the letter E. After erasing, after removing the letter E from the word, in the place of that E, you can add ing. So this way, you can make the present continuous form like writing, dancing, coming, and taking. See, here I have written some words with its present continuous form. So let's read it as wear, wearing, watch, watching, paint, painting, speak, speaking. So here in all these words, we have just added the word ing. Then skip, skipping, stop, stopping, run, running, and sit, sitting. So here in all these words, we have double the last letter. When you are looking at this word, you can clearly understand that here in all these words, we have just doubled. We have just added one extra letter, one extra ending letter into this word to change these words into its present continuous form. Then play, playing, and cry, crying. These words which is ends with the Y, the words that has the letter Y at the end of those words, there you can add just ing. Then in the case of E ending word, in the case of E ending word, there you have to drop, there you have to erase the letter E. Here see into these words, when you are looking at these words, you can't see the letter E. Am I right? I have removed this letter E, and in the place of this E, there we just added ing only. Then skate, skating, take, taking, and dance, dancing. So in all words, in all these words are ending with E. Dears, this how we can make many words into its present continuous form by adding the ing, by adding these three letter words, these three shorter words, ing, into its present continuous form. So I hope this is clear to you. So let's move on to our workbook. From page number 27, S3, what is happening now? Question number 1, look at the picture and fill in the blanks. One picture is given, so with the help of that picture, you have to fill in the blanks. So the word, that action word, it is given as a bracket. So you have to change those given word into its present continuous form by adding ing, but there is one thing that you have to check the ending letters. If the word it is ends with y, there you have to add just ing form, or if it is ends with e, just drop the e and instead of that just add this ing. Yes. Then question number 2, write 4 sentences about what you see happening around you right now. So I am already talked to you that this present continuous tense means the things, the actions that is happening at this time, at this present time. So you have to find out 4 things, 4 actions, and change those actions, those words into sentence form. Okay, then let's move on to the next page also. It is 28, simple present and the present continuous. The same thing, there is circle the things that you like to do. So some pictures are given. Whatever the things that you like to do from this given pictures, you can circle it. And question number 2, write the word for the actions that you can do. So from this picture, you have to choose 2 more actions and write it below, write it inside this box. And 3, write what any of the 3 people are doing in the pictures. So with the help of these pictures, you can make 3 sentences with the help of this is, am, are, and with ing form. Right. Yes. Then let's move on to our practice questions from page number 29. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Practice question number 1. Here what you have to do is you have to read the sentence. Some sentences are given and some part is missing. So there you have to change the bracket words, some words given in the bracket. So that words you have to change into its present continuous form and fill this and complete this given sentence. Then next page, it is from 13th. Question number 6, making words. Use your letter cards to make maximum number of words with the help of this given 8 letters. Then the last one, use words from the table to make sentences. So some words are given. So with the help of these words, you can make sentences. So dears, I'm sure you have understood today's lesson. It is not that much difficult, right? So if you're finding some more words with these ing, with this present continuous form, then it will be easier for you. So here, one more thing you have to do is, you have to find out some more words. You can find some more words and add into these column, into these each column. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class. Bye.